All right, guys, let's make some jambalaya. Definitely want a meaty jambalaya. Choose any sausage you like. Make sure that you add in all your veggies, green onions, yellow onions. Make sure you give it a nice fine chop. Gut out those bell peppers, any color you like. Ooh, let me not forget that I do like a little heat. I am a little bit southern, so let's add a little heat to this jambalaya. Some nice olive oil in a pan. Let's throw in all those sausage to give them a good searing in that pan. Some of my favorite seasonings, garlic and onion, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of Zatarain's, a little bit of sea salt. Let's get that all mixed around. Let's add in all that goodness and get it rolled around in this hot pan. Let's do about 3 cups of rice. Let's do some chopped tomatoes. Let's give that a stir. Let's do about 4 cups of water, and here we have jambalaya. Enjoy.